In this video, you are going to see how to insert the bullet points in Google Sheet as you can see here. Let's get started. Click on this cell where you want to input the bullet symbol. From your keyboard, press Alt+7. Then you will get the bullet point. Let me write here Apple. Click on Alt-Enter to get the new line, and from your keyboard press Alt+7. You will get the new bullet. Right here banana. Let us select it. You can make it bold. You can increase the font size. But in this case, when you press the Alt+7, you have to press the 7 from this numerical keyboard. If you press from here, it will not work properly. You will get another kind of bullet. Let us press here Alt+8. Then this kind of bullet will be added. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.